It is possible to jumper or link two or more terminals together. To do that, in the Schematic tab of the ribbon and also in the Edit Components drop-down, you can select Edit Jumper. After that, in the command line, you will be asked to select terminal, and after that, you can select the other jumper terminals. I'm going to do that, and the command will be continued until you press enter. I press enter and a new dialog box which is named Edit Terminal Jumpers will be shown for me. In this area, when you choose the jumper node, it is extended and the two terminals which I selected are displayed for me. If you select Show button, this dialog box will be expanded and the two terminals which I have linked are displayed here. Now I'm going to choose OK. To show you the two jumper terminals, I want to select Edit Jumper tool for the second time and select the base terminal. In this part, there is an option in the command line that is Show. When I write S, which is the first letter of show word, and press enter, a line will be displayed. This line represents the jumper and is a temporary line that is drawn between these two related terminals, and if you just zoom in or zoom out on it, it will be disappeared.